Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today I got a nice unique watch face that's good for everyday wear, whether it be a weekend wear or a work week wear. This watch face is nice. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. This one gets my stamp of approval. Good for any occasion. Now, the name of the watch face is called Day and Night. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice digital time. You're going to have a black background with this one. And when the watch face is on, you get a split between night and what looks like to be dusk for the most part. You're going to get the battery percentage at the top. You're going to get your digital time. You're going to get your date over here. And it looks like you have an ocean look down at the bottom. So I thought it was a nice look for a casual wear. Not bad at all. But this switches up depending on the time. It automatically does it. It'll bring the date from here to there and the time from here to here. So I thought it was an okay look so far as the design is concerned. But you be the judge of it. Is this a download, or are you going to leave it right where it's at? All right, you all. Hope you all enjoyed the video. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all, enjoy the rest of your day and or night. And let's get over the hump.